guys. How you doing?
How you doing? How's it going?
Good.
Huh? Sure. When we leave, we're all gonna just leave and just wait for them to go. Fair enough. Thank you, gentlemen. No problem, man.
Thanks, guys.
There's 200-foot long burnouts. No, it wasn't us, and they left from this driveway.
Are they cool about it?
No, they're way cool. This fucking punk neighbor up the street doesn't like motorcycles, so he thinks that no one can like motorcycles or cars or anything fun. So he called the cops on us doing burnouts. It happens all the time.
Those goddamn motorcycle kids are at it again.
The only motorcycles is the fucking car.